Today, we're going to be diving into the world of Beforepay and exploring its credit limit options. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for ways to save money and get the most out of your finances. And that's where Beforepay comes in. But before we get into the specifics of Beforepay's credit limits, let's take a step back and talk about what Beforepay is and how it works. What is Beforepay? In short, Beforepay is a financial technology company that offers early access to your paycheck. This means that you can get your paycheck up to 2 days before your payday, giving you more flexibility and control over your finances. How does Beforepay work? To use Beforepay, you simply need to link your bank account to your Beforepay account. Once you've done that, you can request an advance on your paycheck. The amount of your advance will be based on your income and your employment history. What are the benefits of using Beforepay? There are a number of benefits to using Beforepay. One of the biggest benefits is that it can help you avoid late fees and overdraft charges. If you're often short on cash before payday, Beforepay can help you bridge the gap and avoid these costly fees. Another benefit of Beforepay is that it can help you improve your credit score. By using Beforepay responsibly, you can build a positive payment history that can help you qualify for better credit cards and loans in the future. So, what is the highest credit limit on Beforepay? The highest credit limit on Beforepay is $5,000. However, the actual amount of credit you're approved for will depend on your individual circumstances. Factors that will be considered include your income, your employment history, and your credit score. How can I increase my chances of getting approved for a higher credit limit on Beforepay? There are a few things you can do to increase your chances of getting approved for a higher credit limit on Beforepay. First, make sure that you have a steady income and a good employment history. Second, make sure that you have a good credit score. You can check your credit score for free at a number of websites, including Credit Karma and Experian. Is Beforepay right for you? Beforepay can be a great option for people who are looking for a way to get access to their paycheck early. However, it's important to remember that Beforepay is not a free service. There are fees associated with using Beforepay, so you need to make sure that the benefits outweigh the costs. Beforepay is a great option for people who are looking for a way to get access to their paycheck early and avoid late fees and overdraft charges. If you're considering using Beforepay, be sure to do your research and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time.